Excuse me, is this the right gate?
Yes, may I see your boarding pass?
Here you are.
Thank you.
Am I late?
No, boarding hasn't started yet.
That's a relief.
May I also see your passport?
Sure.
Thank you.
I was worried I came to the wrong terminal.
You're in the right place.
Great.
Your seat is 24A.
Window seat, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Do I need to line up now?
Not yet. Please wait until boarding is announced.
Okay.
Boarding will start in about 10 minutes.
Thanks for letting me know.
You're welcome.
Can I sit nearby while I wait?
Yes, any seat in this area is fine.
Perfect.
Please listen for your group number.
I will.
Enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning. I'd like to check in.
Sure. May I see your passport, please?
One moment. I think I left it in my bag.
Take your time.
I can't find it.
Do you have it with you today?
I'm afraid I forgot it at home.
I see.
Is there any other way to check in?
Unfortunately, we need a valid ID.
I understand. I have a photo of my passport on my phone.
That won't be accepted for check in.
Okay.
You'll need to go back and get your passport.
Will I still have time?
Boarding starts in 40 minutes.
That's tight, but I'll try.
Please come back as soon as you can.
Should I keep my place in line?
Just come straight to the counter when you return.
Thank you for explaining.
No problem.
I'm really sorry about this.
It happens sometimes.
I'll hurry back.
We'll be here.
Thanks again.
Good luck.
Excuse me, could you help me for a moment?
Yes, what do you need?
I'm looking for the restroom.
It's just down this hall.
On this side.
Yes, keep walking straight.
Is it far from here?
No, about a 1 minute walk.
That's good.
You'll see the sign on your left.
Left side, got it.
The men's restroom is next to the elevator.
Thank you for being clear.
No problem.
Is there a restroom closer to the gate area?
Yes, there's another one near gate 12.
Is it usually crowded?
It can be busy during boarding time.
I'll use this one first then.
That's a good idea.
Do I need to go through security again after this?
No, you're already inside.
That's a relief.
Just make sure you have your boarding pass with you.
I have it with me.
All right.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
I'll head there now.
Take care.
Hi, I'd like to check in my bag.
Sure. May I see your passport and ticket?
Here you are.
Thank you. Please place your bag on the scale.
Okay.
Your bag is a bit over the weight limit.
How much is it over?
It's about 3 kilos over.
I didn't realize that.
The limit for this ticket is 20 kilos.
I see. What are my options?
You can pay an extra fee or remove some items.
How much is the extra fee?
It's $10 per kilo.
That's a bit expensive.
You could also move some items to your carry-on bag.
Is that allowed?
Yes, as long as it meets the size and weight limits.
Let me take out a few things.
No problem. Take your time.
Okay, I've removed some items.
Let's weigh it again.
Sure.
It's within the limit now.
Great.
I'll finish your check-in. Now you're welcome.
Thank you for your help. Excuse me, is this the line for security?
Yes, please wait here.
Okay.
Please place your bag on the tray.
Like this?
Yes, that's fine. Please remove your laptop.
Oh, I forgot.
No problem. Any liquids in your bag?
Just a small bottle of water.
That one needs to be discarded.
All right.
Please take off your jacket.
Okay.
You can walk through now.
Do I need to take off my shoes?
No, you could keep them on.
Thanks for letting me know.
Please walk through slowly.
Okay.
Please step aside for a moment.
Is something wrong?
The scanner picked something up.
Oh, I have coins in my pocket.
Please empty your pockets and try again.
All right.
You're all set now.
Thank you.
Have a good flight.